My love for the sea began before I even knew what love was. It was always the three of us, my dad, my mum, and me. Dad was at the wheel, making sure we got there safely. He'd always say, "The sea goes on forever." I still don't know what that means. I was just happy we were out there together.
The sea has been part of my life for as long as I can remember. It's where I found peace when the world felt too loud. It's where new sights, new sounds filled the quiet spaces in my mind. I've turned to the sea when I was lost, when I was full of joy, and everything in between. It was never about where we were headed. It was going that mattered. My mum and dad gave me more than just memories. They gave me a place that would always feel like home. And now, it's my turn to pass it on. And the same endless horizon stretching out before us.